Hello friends, welcome back to School Management System in Laravel. Last video I will show you examination inside exam schedule. So we had exam schedule inside class wise and exam wise. Suppose I can choose the exam, after I can choose the class. So you can see it, we have made a exam scheduling. So in this video I will show this is the exam scheduling, means student side. So student side we need to show like this, my exam timetable. So I will log in as a students and all after I can show my exam timetable. How we know is my exam timetable? Because he is a class. Suppose you can go to student list. So you can see it here like this is the student 1. He is a class name is a part-time. So class name part-time, what's the timetable? So you can see it like all the subject here there, and also you can see it like exam date, start time, end time, room number, full mark and passing mark. So let's start now to do student side my exam timetables. So first of all you need to log in your student account. I know about these passwords for the students 1 2 3 4 5 6. So I log out and I log in for the students 1 2 3 4 5 6. After you need to go your code, resources, views, inside you need to go layouts, inside you need to go headers. Just zoom out, I make some zoom outs, and you need to create a new menu. Let's go to this is the teachers. So let's go down. Okay, this is the here you can see it my timetable. So here we can make like a my exam timetable. Just I copy and paste here, and I can change my exam timetables. Here also I change because we need to make an active class. This is in segment 2 is equal to my exam timetables. Let's go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it new menu here, my exam timetables. I will click on this menu. So you can see it here, route not found. So let's create a new routes. Just go to routes, inside you need to go web.php and just go to middleware students. Let's go down here, you can copy just and copy these routes and also put here, and here you can change my exam timetables. Okay, and also you can need to change this controller because we have already created one controller for examination controller. So just you can change this controller name, examination controller. After you can go examination controller, inside you need to create a new functions, my exam timetables. And here you can make like a request. Suppose we need to make a filtering, this is good, this reason. And here you can make like one comment, student side. Let's create another new file in a student side. Just copy this line and put here, and here you can change to exam schedule to my exam timetable. Okay, now it's good, and we can change to here student. Here you can change my exam timetables. Now we need to create a new file inside student, means student. Just go to students and just create a new file .blade.php. okay, so we are done like a files creating. Also we have created a new function inside controller, so is working very well. Now you can see it here blank file because here blank files. So now we need to know about my class against what's the subject and what is the exam. So first of all we need to make here array. So we need to find our class id. So class id is equal to auth users class id. Because of I can go my database means schools.com, and inside you can go user tables. So you can see it here, we have already provided class id for the students. Here is a lots of data there, but just I can show you the class id. So you can see it here class id. Okay, so let's make a dd and what class id for the students, so I can show you. I refresh now guys, and you can see it like a 3 numbers. is a class ID for the students. Okay, so now this class ID again I need to get the exam ID. What is the total exam there? So just you need to create a new function inside exam scheduling, exam schedule get exam ID, like this you can create, and here you can pass class ID. Otherwise you can type like get exam. Inside you can pass one parameter like a class ID. Okay, so now it's good. Now we have created a new function inside exam schedule model. So just go to exam schedule model, app model. Inside you can see it here, static function get exams, and here you can make like a class ID. So let's go to database and I can explain why I am doing like this. So just go to database and I can go like a class scheduling, means exam scheduling. You can see it here like our class ID. So class ID against I got the exam ID. Okay, so just I copy class ID, means just I make one query, return select exam schedule dot star join exam, means this is the exam ID. We can join exams, exam dot ID is equal to exam schedule dot exam ID. Okay, now we need to make one where query exam schedule dot class ID. Okay, so let's make a get, and here you can type like a exam dot name as a exam name. Okay, so we have already written the data. Let's make here dd. Now what I get the data I can show you. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page. So you can see it here, we are getting the 6 data, you see. But now we need to get only one record, because here is the exam ID once, here also exam ID once, you can see it. So let's use a group by exam ID. So just go back again to query and just you can type here group by exam ID. Suppose you have not active group by, so just go to database. Inside you need to go to, just go to comping. Inside need to go database, and here you need to make a false. Okay, so group by working very well. Otherwise you are already comping cache clear, so you can make this command after you can test. So let's close this files. I go back again and I refresh the page. So you can see it, I just got only one records, you see, because I have made a group by this reason, because exam ID 1 and class ID 3, because my student class ID is a 3. So 3 inside you can see it only one exam ID there. Okay, so let's go back again and we need to get all the result about the student, means the result means the like a exam timetables. So let's make a loop here. I go back again, I create a new variable $result is equal to array. Here I make a for each loop has a $value. So I can create a one variable data e, means exam is equal to blank data e. Inside I can pass like a name of the exam, so value. Here you can pass like a exam name, because we have already created one alias here. I can show you here. You can just go to back here. Sorry about that. Okay, here you can see it, we have created already alias, so I can use here exam name. Okay, now we need to create another array inside, like we need to find out this exam against what is the total timetable there, means what is the subject in this subject, and what is the time, what is the start date, what is the end date, start time, end time, room number, passing mark, we need to get here. So just we need to create a new query here, like we already did here last time. So I can show you get record single, but we don't want to use this one. Just you can make a new query. So I can show you how to do. Okay, like here, get exam timetable is equal to exam schedule. Inside, just copy and paste here, and you can pass here like a value exam ID, and also you can pass here class ID, because we need to know, okay, which class against we need to get the data. Okay, now you can go this model again, and you need to create a new function again, static functions, and just copy these two parameter, exam ID and class ID. Okay, now we need to make a query. So let's copy above one, because we don't want to waste of time here to typing everything. So just I copy exam schedule, select exam dot star. We don't need now because we already made. So just you can make here another where query for the exam ID. So just you can change to here exam ID. Let's show you the DD and show you the what data I get here. Okay, so let's go back again, and I can make here DD, so you can understand what data I get. This is the exam ID. How I can get, because we have already made here star. So this is the table inside. We have already there is a exam ID. This is then I am getting. Okay, I just make refresh the page, so you can see it like one record. I think here is already there one DD. Not there, so save and go back again and refresh the records. See the save once. Here you can see like a 13th record there, you see, because the looping wise we are getting the data. I think something issue there, I think so. Exam ID, class ID. So I get back data DD. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page. I got a one item. What is the get inside item? Let's check again. Start time, end time. Okay, just class ID, exam ID. So I need to get the data about the like a 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, oh sorry, because here is a group by there, this reason. Okay, let's remove the group bys, and I can go back again. So you can see it's like 6 item found, because here you can see it like make a count 1 2 3 4 5 6. You can see it here. So 6 subject I will get. You see, like subject ID, class ID, because subject ID is different, exam date, start time, end time, room number, full mark, passing mark, created by, and dates also there. We don't need a dates. Okay, so I think now is good. So we need to make another join query here, so we can get the subject name. So you can just copy above one, otherwise we can type. Let's type, so it's good for you. Like subjects, subject dot ID is equal to exam schedule inside dot subject ID. Here you can see it like a subject ID. Okay, now we need to create another alias dot name as a subject name. So you can go to subject tables. Inside you can see it like a name. So this is the I have created alias, and I get a subject name. Also we can get a like type. So it is good. Suppose we need to use the type, so we know, okay, this is the practical, this is the theory. So subject type. Okay, now it's clear. So let's create here new for each loop. So I can make another for each loop as a $value, and here you can make like a $value dot h means subject, and here we can create another data h means subject, array means blanks, and here we can pass all the data, whatever data there inside a exam scheduling. So just go back and just copy one by one, otherwise you can copy paste whatever you can do. You want to type, so you can type. I just copy paste subject name. Okay, now it's good. Just go back again and copy and paste here. Start time, start time, so start time. Here you can make like a end time. Just copy and paste here. Room number and passing mark. Okay, data is get now. Is goods, and also we need to create another array here. $result as means subjects. Okay, so $s inside we can add all the data, and this is the s data we need to store inside a exam. So just you can type here like a exam. Inside you need to pass like a data means $result as. So let's refresh now and I can show you. And also we need to make like a order by descending order, so it's good for you. So because new exam always going to first. So exam means exam scheduling dot id is going to first. So here I can make descending order. I can show you why I am doing, but let's finish this task after I can show you. Okay, now it's good everything's, and data s we need to pass inside result. So let's make dd and show you. Okay, I refresh the page, so you can see it here everything. Here is a two array because I can open. So one is a name of the exam, and after you can see the exam timetable, like 6 subject there. So subject name, exam date, start time, end time, room number and passing marks. You can see it like you see. So now this is the data we need to loop inside our view files, because we have get all the data. So just you can type like here get records, and here you can pass like a $results. Now we need to work inside my exam timetable. So let's go to, I copy my exam timetable inside. I can copy like my timetable also you can copy. Let's copy this one because here also two loop work this reason. I just go back again and my exam timetables, and I can remove some part because we don't need, so I'll remove these parts. Okay, and let's remove some spaces because spaces look like it's not better. And also I can remove because we don't want to use now, so I can show you how it's look wise show. Okay, this reason I am removing. And also here his name is looks better. Get record inside your get data, and here you can change my exam timetable. Let's go back again and refresh the page. So let's see any error there, so you can sort out, don't worry about that. I think some error there because taking time, so 100% there are errors. So let's go back again and refresh the page. You can see it's a week because we have not removed, so I just here change to exam because we have put here exam. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it like my exam timetable. So here you can see the exam name, and here you can see like a week, but we need to remove this data and we need to pass our correct data. So just go to admin sites, and here you need to go class timetable, not class timetable, you need to go examination inside you can see it exam scheduling, and just copy these lines. Otherwise you want to write, so you can write here like first one is a subject name, second one is like exam date, start time, end time, room number, full mark and passing mark. And here we can make like a tr inside td. Suppose do you want to copy this one, so also you can copy, but here is not possible copy because we need to write. Here is the input box there, this reason. So I just copy one and I can put here, and here I can change value as means the subjects, and here you can subject name look like better because we have already write. So just go back again and refresh the page, so you can see it like exam name, start time, end time, room number, full mark, passing mark, and here you can see it like a subject name. Okay, so let's make a one by one and I can show you. I just copy paste, so I can after I can change the name. So let's go to again start time. So here I can change start times, no, exam date, because before is there exam date. Here change to start time, after end time, after we can do like a room number and passing mark. One is forget, let's add now full mark because we have forget one. So just go database again and just copy full mark. You can pass here. Okay, and here is the full mark first there, so here we can pass, and after we can mark passing mark. Let's change here order because otherwise you can confuse. Okay, is not issue about order, but it look like better because otherwise you can make passing mark first still work, you can make last still work, so don't worry about that orders. Okay, let's go back again, refresh the page and see how it's look like a professional. You can see it like a exam dates, subject name, exam dates, start time, end time, room number, full mark and passing mark. Let's convert to AM PM so you can easily understand. So just you can go here and you can make a one function date HIA. A means AM PM, str2 time. Instead you can pass, and here you can change like a end time and just remove this one. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can set str. Okay, I made a spelling mistake, this reason str2 time. Just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see 9 AM to 10 AM. Here showing the room number, here showing the exam date. Let's make a date month while, so just you can use here date format like date month and while. Here you can make it str2 time. Let's go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it. Also we can show here day, so day wise looks like better, so just create a new column here, exam date before day. Okay, and just copy and paste here, and you can make like a L is small, so you can see it like a Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, like this you can see it easily, so you can understand easily. Like a day, what is the day? Saturday. Okay, Saturday is 19. What is the time? My exam time. What is my room number? Oh, I need a passing of 60. Oh, it's very good. Whatever great things. Okay, so here inside means the student side, I will show you my class timetable. Let's add another exam inside student timetable. So I log in as an admin accounts. Just open the new private window, localhost schools.com, admin@gmail.com, and password is 123456. I log in now. After I go to examination, exam scheduling, so like class, this is the second exam is like 2013-14, and I can choose like a SS part-time because my student already login is a part-time inside there. Okay, so let's add some dates. I can add like first 9 AM to 10 AM, room number 1, passing mark like 100, means full mark 100, passing mark like a 15. I just save, I just showing the only ones. Okay, so just go back again to student side and refresh the page, so you can see it like automatic we have get the data because we have made like this. Why I did like this? Because first we have made like a group by, we have get the dates of the exam ID, so you can see it like exam scheduling inside we have made like a group by, so I get the all the exam ID. After exam ID again I get the data here, so here you can see it like suppose I can add a third one also works. Let's see here, I can add a 2 data here, like a 2. You can add whatever time do you want to, like I like simple time, and here I can make it 16 and I can submit now. Okay, just go back again, refresh the page, so you can see it, 2 subject there now with the same whatever data I add in admin side, this data you can see it here. Same thing I can do is exam 3, means 2014 15, and inside part time I search now. So you can see it like a fresh data also. I just add a like seconds 9 10 to 10 10 room number 1, passing mark 100, means full mark 100 and passing mark 40, and I submit now. I just go back again and refresh the page. So you can see it like first term 2040, 30 40 and 20 33. So you can see it like I already show you, means how to work like my exam timetable in a student side. So I hope do you want to like this video, so please like. Do you want to see like this video more, so please subscribe our channel. And next video we can do like exam timetable inside a parent side and teacher side. So I hope you can enjoy, and thank you for watching.